Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download apps to your PC. And this is really easy to do. So if you're on Windows 11 or 10, at the bottom of the screen, you might see something like this icon. This is the Microsoft Store down here at the bottom. We can simply just open this up right here. Otherwise, go down to the bottom and then we can go to search and just type in store. And you should be able to find it right here. Or if you open up the Windows Start button, it might be one of these pinned applications on the top. Here it is. We can just go to Microsoft Store and open this up, and this is it in the background here. If you scroll on down, we can see the trending games and then the trending apps. So we got things like Discord, ChatGPT, and then Netflix, and then we got Roblox on here too. So you can go to the Applications tab. You can search by the different categories here for business, music, creativity, security. Let's go to security, for example, and just click on this and see what pops up. So we have secure folder files and encrypt webcam pro. Now, some of these are going to be like paid versions, and most of it is free. So you can just look at it. So a lot of these apps are free, but let's go on over to the gaming category here. And this is what this looks like. We got Arc Raiders on here. We can go to the free games on here and just check this out if you're going to be downloading one of these. We can go through here and you can just click this little arrow to go to the next tab. And I don't see anything really too interesting that I would like to download on here right now, but looks like they got a lot of these poker casino games. And we got the AI Hub. If you scroll on down, we got things like ChatGPT, Easy Chat, Copilot, themes. We can go down to downloads. If we're downloading something, we can check it out here and we can go to check for updates. This is how you're going to update your apps. You just go to update all. And then we got our library. Now, if we go to all, I think everything on our computer is just going to show up under here. So some things that are random, like Battlefield RedSec, this isn't available through the Microsoft Store. You would have to get Steam for that. And then we can scroll on down. We can see everything on here. We got apps, games included with this device. So go and just check this out. Microsoft Store. You can download apps. You don't need a web browser. Hopefully, this video did indeed help you out.